Good morning, honorable speaker, sir.
Good morning.
Honorable members, Sri K.H. Lokeshwar, who cut motion. Irregularities in distribution of scholarship to students, Amadi. Irregularities in release of funds, Aina Asumna, Sindok Jere. He and his department, the Mahada, students sing the P-form Topa, scholarship Pibada. Irregularities, Amatalete. Department asina students in the scholarship PV riba as Ministry of Tribal Affairs Government of India gi guideline gi matung inna ribani. Types of scholarship being implemented by the departments are: number 1, pre-matric for class 9 and 10. Post-matric for higher education starting from class 11 to post-graduation course in India. Issues in the payment of scholarships. Number 1, an amount of rupees 3 crore 19 lakhs 23,877 for 3,651 students pertaining to post-matric scholarship 2023 to 2024 and 2024 to 2025. Payment could not be debited to students' account due to non-syncing of Aadhaar card with respective bank account. Similarly, an amount of rupees 42,42,700 for 1,247 students of the pre-matric scholarship for 2022 to 2023 to 2024 and 2024 to 2025 could not be debited due to non-syncing of Aadhaar with respective bank accounts. Mandatory documents mapungfa na submit daba adubo scholarship pangba yaba student mayam abalay ay nakali ministry ki guideline ki matung inna students sing na scholarship apply to matamda darkar oiba documents singi. Number 1, students should belong to scheduled tribe, so specified in relation to the state or union territory to which he or she actually belongs, domicile state. Number 2, family income of the students from all sources should not exceed rupees 2,50,000 per annum. Number 3, students should have a valid account in a scheduled bank linked with Aadhaar and mobile number. Number 4, students should not be getting any other scholarship.
आपने सब में सेम ही साड़ी पहनी है।
मेरी फेवरेट साड़ी है और इसमें फोटो भी बहुत अच्छी आती है ना?
अब ये सोफा ही देख लो पापा, ये सोफा भी ना हर फोटो में 2002 से एकदम ही सेम।
टाइमलेस क्लासिक लाइक मी।
आप दोनों ही कंजूस थे, ठीक है?
स्मार्ट थे, हमेशा तुम्हारी एजुकेशन में इन्वेस्ट किया और अब देखो कितनी स्मार्ट हो गई हो, आजकल हमें ही सिखाती रहती है।
ये क्या है?
आपने जो मुझ पर इन्वेस्ट किया था ना, वो फाइनली कंपाउंड हो गया।
photograph aina mathakta panjaki ba mandatory oiba documents di asi incomplete oirabadi ministry ki guideline ki matung inna scholarship bibada eligible oide maram aduna students sing na ministry na peri ba guidelines sing fulfill oirabadi scholarship pangi ministry na peri ba guideline sige wang bada department asina single student amata scholarship piba ngamde ani subada irregularities in release of fund asiki matanda aina makada asulna sindok sige he and his department na centrally sponsored scheme and state fund and release toba irregularities amata later for civil works funds are released after ascertaining physical progress for beneficiary oriented scheme under the state fund. Finalization of the beneficiary list is done through selection committee at the department level And thereafter, proposal for expenditure sanction and encashment permission is sent to the Finance Department. Finance Department release the funds to the department and it is promptly disbursed to the beneficiaries through DBT mode. When the funds are utilized for the intended purpose, utilization certificates are timely submitted to the ministry or the agency concerned which source the fund. Details of the fund released under various schemes granted under Ministry of Tribal Affairs is as given below. Number 1, Article 275(1) for the year 2024 to 2025. Adugi matung inna Ministry of Tribal Affairs na rupees 1981.32 lakhs release to Rakpada State Finance Department nasu highly but same amount dasi release to birakhi aduga TN Hills Department na rupees 1272.65 lakhs release to he. Number 2, Dharti Abba Zanjatia Gram Utkarsh Abhiyan Dasgua for the year 2025 to 26 gi Ministry of Tribal Affairs released to Rakpa Asi rupees 1748.25 lakh. State Finance Department has released to Rakpa rupees 1138.31 lakh. Pradhan Mantri Jayantia Adivasi na Naya Maha Abhiyan PM Janman for the year 2025 to 26 scheme asigi ministry na rupees 660 lakhs released to Rakhi. State fund na rupees 660 lakh released to he aduga TN Hills Department na rupees 330 lakhs released to Rakhi. Pradhan Mantri Adi Aadhaar Gram Yojana PMAY for the year 2025 to 26 scheme asigi ministry na rupees 295.47 lakhs released to he. State Finance Department na rupees 295.47 lakhs released to he. Aduga department na rupees 285.32 lakh released to he. Ministry of Tribal Affairs na TRI for the year 2025-26 giyoy na rupees 300 lakhs released to Rakhi. Ay na matak ka singok sariba point sing asina honorable member na jabi baga loy na pukat pira pa kat mo asik withdraw to bid na demand number 14 Department of Tribal Affairs and Hills Department asik asked to support to you.
Khoi medang se aina haji iwa EDC ki election se masim tang kumbirama dihena phagan amdang kumbirama aduga hauji Sigi Department handaki 2026 and 27 thada kado paisa se 1033 crore 37 lakhs 36,000 ne EDC ki through the thada kado paisa se karamba kanana masi sinabi kanana tauraga EDC ki phangmanduga EDC ki through the thada paisa mayam se kamana thada kade habtum dang tambiro aduga hauji Karigamba election ne pangthoki batar badi ADCC makhada ene makhal khudingi develop to godo mayam do madra pending to le rabani na masi election pangthok pina do haje bani yaraga di simtanga khumbiraga hena phani kainu